Hey guys, Realme all set to launch Realme GT5 Pro in China very soon, and Realme GT5 Pro live images are already leaked, and as you can see that the phone comes with the big camera house. The phone comes with the triple camera setup in the back. The phone comes with 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony LYTIA 808, 8 megapixel ultra wide who is OBO-AD10, 50 megapixel telephoto lens who is Sony IMX966, and the font is come with 32 megapixel selfie camera. Realme GT5 Pro is expected featuring a 6.7-inch 1.5K Hobe AMOLED curved display with 144Hz refresh rate and properly slightly curved edge display, and it's come from the Realme GT5 Pro is come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The phone also comes with 24GB LPDDR5 RAM with 1TB storage with UFS 4.0, and there could be support expandable RAM. Recently, the phone was spotted on an Antutu benchmark platform with the impressive score of 2.2 million. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0. The phone powered by 5400 mAh battery and is support 100W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. And the phone launched in China 5268 RMB with almost 60,000 rupees. So that's pretty much all about the Realme GT5 Pro. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.